After logging in, look for the for pension or sensation. Digestive clash. Coffee contains up to 26 locked-in choices. 0.5 air potatoes, scientifically known as Dioscorea bulbifera, represent a fascinating species of yam that produces distinctive aerial tubers along its climbing vines. Unlike conventional root vegetables that develop exclusively underground, these unique plants yield round structures that hang from the stems. While they share aesthetic similarities with standard potatoes, they belong to an entirely different botanical family. Native to regions across Africa and Asia, this vigorous climbing vine has been utilized for centuries in traditional medicine and regional cuisines. Its distinctive growth habit and complex nutritional profile make it a subject of great interest for modern researchers and hungry foragers. The nutritional composition of the edible air potato is quite remarkable. These aerial tubers serve as an excellent source of complex carbohydrates, providing sustained energy without causing rapid spikes in blood sugar levels. They are particularly rich in dietary fiber, which is crucial for maintaining optimal digestive health and promoting feelings of fullness. Furthermore, air potatoes contain essential minerals, notably potassium, which supports cardiovascular function and helps regulate blood pressure. Iron is also present, contributing to healthy red blood cell formation and preventing general fatigue. The protein content includes unique storage proteins that offer additional biological benefits for everyday humans. One of the most significant health benefits of the air potato involves its role in hormonal balance. The tubers contain a valuable bioactive compound called diosgenin, which is a steroidal saponin. In the human body, diosgenin is highly regarded for its potential to support hormonal regulation. Historically, extracts from related yam species have been utilized to ease menopausal symptoms.
For centuries, our Warli, Kokna and Katkari communities have been foraging. Once they reached us from Africa and Southeast Asia, indigenous knowledge identified the safe varieties because not all air potatoes are edible. Some are actually toxic, but not this one locally found in Maharashtra. It's packed with calcium, starch and fiber, and it's been traditionally used to heal ulcers and wounds, not just as food. As for food, my favorite is the Dukar Kanchi Sukhi Bhadi. Boil it well, slice it thin, then toss it in a hot pan with mustard oil, mustard seeds, garlic cloves, green chilies, and a pinch of haldi and salt. This is what food diversity looked like before industrial agriculture. Communities didn't just farm, they knew their forests. While we are importing exotic superfoods, ingredients like the air potato, which are locally available, grow wild without any chemicals and pesticides, and are easy to make, taste delicious as you can make a potato. Just that we've forgotten them, and it's time to remember and get them back into our kitchen.
To neutralize harmful free radicals within the bloodstream. By scavenging these unstable molecules, the antioxidants prevent cellular damage and significantly reduce internal oxidative stress. This protective mechanism is vital for lowering the risk of chronic diseases and supporting the immune system. Regular consumption of properly prepared tubers may therefore contribute to improved cellular longevity and overall immense daily vitality. The inflammation-reducing properties of Dioscorea bulbifera further elevate its status in traditional healing practices. Throughout history, various Ayurvedic and folk medicine traditions have extensively utilized air potato extracts to alleviate discomfort associated with severe joint pain. The bioactive constituents within the tuber effectively interrupt inflammatory pathways in the human body. This natural reduction in systemic inflammation is especially beneficial for individuals suffering from conditions related to arthritis and general muscle soreness. By incorporating these specific tubers into a carefully managed diet, some individuals experience a noticeable